Let's learn English with Willi and Tilli, the big cleanup. Willi and Tilli go to Willi's house. They have mushrooms in their basket. They are almost home. But when they come in, they see... What happened here? Who made this mess? There are two ways this story can continue. Pick one. Then Willi and Tilli see Sniffy, their friend. What are you doing here? Asks Willi. I've been searching for my carrot here and there and everywhere. Did you make all this mess? Sorry. Don't be sad. We'll clean everything up now. Will you help us? Yes, of course. I'd love to help, answers Sniffy. The friends begin to clean up. Tilly? What does he do? Tilly cleans the table. And Sniffy? Sniffy puts the flour on the dresser. And Willi? What does he do? Willi vacuums the floor. And Tilly? What does Tilly do? Tilly mops the floor. And Sniffy? Sniffy puts the books on the shelf. And Willi? Puts the toys in the box. And Tilly? Takes out the rubbish. Hooray! Well done. The room is tidy now.
Good job. Now let's drink some tea and eat my yummy carrot cake.
The end.